In front of me is Lenovo Tab K11 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Firstly, open Settings and scroll to click on Biometrics and Password. Then choose Face Recognition and enter your current login method. Scroll. Tap on this icon next to Enable Raise to Wake to disable or enable it, and hit Add. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Tap on Done and make sure that this option called Unlock Device with Facial Recognition is on. Then manage all of those however you wish and go back. So let's check out if it worked. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and look at it, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!